Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're taking a look at a product that's more about function than beauty, yet it plays a huge role in ensuring a restful, comfortable night's sleep. I'm talking about the signature design by Ashley low-profile, ready-to-assemble metal foundation for king-size beds. Now before you think, that's just a foundation, let's break it down and see how it stacks up against the competition. First off, let's talk about the basics. This is a metal foundation designed to provide strong, sturdy support for your mattress. Whether you've got a memory foam mattress, a plush one, or something else entirely, this foundation is built to handle it. The fact that it's made of metal instead of wood is a huge plus in terms of durability and longevity. It's a low-profile foundation, meaning your bed will have that sleek, minimalist look, especially if you're aiming for a lower bed design. When it comes to setup, it's pretty straightforward. The foundation arrives in a compact box, and everything you need, from hardware to tools, is packed in with easy-to-follow instructions. It's definitely a two-person job to get it together, but the instructions are clear, and once you're done, you'll have a solid base for your mattress. Now, as someone who's tried assembling plenty of furniture, I can confirm that the process was pretty stress-free. But let's talk about what really matters: performance. The low profile is great for those who want a contemporary look without sacrificing mattress support. The metal construction feels solid and it seems like it will hold up well over time. Plus, the removable fabric cover is a nice touch. Not only does it add to the aesthetic, but it also makes cleaning up a bit easier. And with the rounded corners, I felt comfortable knowing that there's less risk of injury when moving around the bed, especially if you have pets or kids running around. Now let's balance things out. The foundation is sturdy, but I do think it's worth noting that it's a bit on the heavier side once assembled. It's not something you'll be moving around a lot, so if you're someone who likes to rearrange their furniture every few months, keep that in mind. But for those who appreciate stability and don't mind a solid, heavy build, this will work perfectly. In terms of value, the price point feels just right for what you're getting. Given the metal construction and the fact that it's a low-profile option, you're getting durability, safety, and aesthetic appeal without breaking the bank. It's definitely an investment that should last a long time, and for those who prefer metal over wood, it's a great choice. Comparing this foundation to others on the market, there are definitely some lower-priced options, but they often come with compromises in materials or design. While this isn't the cheapest out there, the added durability and thoughtful design justify the cost, especially if you value long-term functionality and stability. As for the build quality, I'd say it's top-notch for a foundation in this price range. The metal feels robust, and the fabric cover, while simple, does its job. There's no flimsy feel here, which is crucial for something that's supposed to support your mattress night after night. I haven't had to deal with the brand's customer service, but based on their reputation, I'd imagine that any issues would be addressed fairly quickly. The foundation seems to be a well-made product, so I don't anticipate too many issues in the first place, but it's nice to know that support is there if needed. So, is this product for you? If you're looking for a solid, reliable foundation that won't take up too much vertical space but still offers excellent support, then this is a great option. The low-profile design and sturdy metal construction make it an ideal choice for anyone seeking durability without the bulk of a traditional box spring. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers and furniture enthusiasts can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've used this foundation, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Was it as easy to set up as we've described? Until next time, stay comfortable and stylish inside and out.